Hello everyone. So 3 minutes, we're going to start our free webinar about Amazon Virtual Assistant. Is everyone can hear me? Naririnig niyo po ba ako? So you are open, you are free to say hi, hello. So I can shout out kung sino po yung mga nanonood today. And I just want to say sorry, medyo nagkaroon ng confusion sa post namin yesterday. So, kasi nga po, nasa US ako. So, medyo na-confuse yung time. So, but today is the real time para po magbigay ako ng free webinar about Amazon Virtual Assistant. Okay, so right now we have 11 viewers. We have 2 minutes para mag-start po tayo. Again, is anyone po can tell me if you can hear me? Just to make sure po na naririnig nyo po ako. Yan, hello Miss Elisa. Hi Beverly. Can you hear me po clearly? Just to make sure that my sound is good. Okay, so thank you, Miss Beverly. Yes, okay, so let's start. Okay, so first of all, I just want to welcome you guys in Amazon Virtual Assistant free webinar. Okay, so for those who are new here and don't know kung sino ako, I'm Divine Grace Corsio. I'm entrepreneur, virtual assistant, and coach of Filipino virtual assistants. So, sino nga po ba ako? So, sabi ko nga, I'm entrepreneur. So, I've been selling online here in the US. So, right now po, it's 1:30 a.m. here in California. So, nagsimula po ako maging online seller 2016. Dahil nga po wala akong naging chance to work outside, pagpatuloy yung yung aking course or yung career ko dito kasi dumating po ako dito, I'm already pregnant. So that's why nag-start ako mag-sell online, particularly in eBay, and then I started to do also arbitrage, also nag-virtual assistant din po ako, and also nag-start din ako mag-sell 2018 in Amazon. So I do dropshipping and online arbitrage, also wholesaling, and right now we're processing to do or to have private labeling. So ngayon, ako din po yung coach ng eBay Virtual Assistant course dito po sa FBA, and also I'm the coach of Amazon Virtual Assistant. So that's why po, ayan, kaya po magbibigay ako sa inyo ng free webinar about Amazon Virtual Assistant. So sige po, if you are new, can you please hashtag, comment natin sa ating comment box, hashtag newbie. And if you have any questions, lagay nyo lang po sa comments and then I will answer that later on. Okay, so right now we have 23 viewers already. Okay, so in this webinar, you will learn what is Amazon, what is the revenue models. So, pag sinabing revenue models, ito yung mga ways ng mga sellers how to sell inside Amazon. So, what are the tasks of Amazon Virtual Assistant? What is dropshipping? What is online arbitrage? What is wholesaling? And what is private labeling? And many more. So, later on, mag-show ako, magpapakita ko ng actual, task ng isang Amazon Virtual Assistant. Okay, so what is Amazon? So Amazon was begun in 1994 in Seattle, Washington by Jeff Bezos and was initially little more than an online bookstore store. So, ayun, parang 'di ba sino ba siya? Sino ba 'yun sa Pilipinas? Parang yung may-ari ng SM, 'di ba? Nagbebenta lang siya before sa kalsada ng sapatos, 'di ba? So ganyan din po si Jeff Bezos. Ang binibenta niya is books online. From those humble beginnings, Amazon has become the largest online e-commerce retailer and one of the most powerful brands in the world. So not only has it expanded its offerings of goods and services, but it also participates in the streaming video marketplace, the cloud computing marketplace, and most recently, Amazon has entered into banking. So si Amazon, meron na siyang nagbebenta na siya ng mga goods and services, pero may pa siya, stream videos. So andyan yung si Amazon Prime, parang Netflix, yun. So, meron ding Prime Music, and meron ding cloud, yung mga cloud drive, alam niyo parang Google Drive, so meron din yan. So, free, pag Prime member ka, meron ka na ding free storage for your photos. So, ganyan kalaki si Amazon. So, Amazon is a massive online retailer that has market capitalization as of June 2018 that is in the excess of 268 billion US. As well as being an online retailer, Amazon allows for individuals and business to sell and display products for sale online. So, it is the largest internet retail in the world by revenue with 2017 revenues of more than 177 billion. So, itong 177 billion, 2017 revenues lang to. So, later on, papakita ko ano na ba yung revenue sa ngayon ni Amazon. Okay, so why Amazon? Bakit dapat tayo na kay Amazon? Bakit, why we need to be Amazon Virtual Assistant? So, bakit ba dapat tayo dumikit kay Amazon, di ba? So, let's see. So, last May 15, 2019, so, si Forbes nagpalabas ng news niya, Amazon surpasses Walmart as the world's largest retailer. So, Walmart is like parang Robinson's store dyan sa Pilipinas. So, siya yung malaki kasi parang every state or every city merong Walmart. Pero si Amazon, na-surpass niya yun. So, imagine, ganun kalaki, 2019 to ha. And then si CNBC, so sabi niya, Amazon beats Apple and Google to become the world's most valuable brand. So this was June 11, 2019. Uh, so that time, 2019, Amazon has overtaken Google and Apple to become the world's most valuable brand at 315.5 billion. So si Apple, second, 309.5 billion. So imagine si Apple naging second na lang. And si Google, 309 billion. So ito, 2019. So if you will search, on Google, how many countries does Amazon ship? It's over 100 countries. So Amazon does ship internationally to over 100 countries, regions outside the United States. So meron Amazon UA or Australia, may Amazon UK, and may also Amazon, kung hindi nyo alam, dyan sa Asia, Amazon Singapore. So ganyan kalaki si Amazon. So apat lang yung nasabi ko pero madami pa. Okay? May Germany din, yan, may Canada. So madaming parang satellite or warehouse si Amazon. So here in Fortune, so Amazon was during the pandemic. So this is during the pandemic. Amazon built for the pandemic and will likely emerge from it stronger than ever. So imagine nung nagkaroon ng pandemic, syempre lalo na dito sa US, ayaw nang lumabas. So all of the people here in the US, they don't want to go outside na to buy our needs, So Amazon offers next day or second or 2-day delivery. So that's why people are buying, buying online and specifically in Amazon. Kasi once you are Prime member, free shipping lahat and a very low price pa in Amazon. So that's why even me, I'm a Amazon, buyer. So almost kung ano yung mga binibili ko, I always bought my things on Amazon. Kasi especially if I need it, soon, I will just order in Amazon. So also, April 13, 2020, Amazon add 75,000 jobs online orders surge during lockdown. So imagine, in the time of pandemic, yung mga company dito sa US nag-shutdown. But Amazon added, hired 75,000 jobs para lang ma-fulfill yung orders kasi ganun kadami ang orders na pumapasok that time in pandemic. So here, this is the picture kung sino yung may-ari ng founder or CEO of Amazon. So Jeff Bezos. So Jeff Bezos, sabi dito ng Forbes, Bezos becomes the first person ever worth 200 billion. So sabi dito almost 100 billion more than the next richest man than Bill Gates. So imagine that. So how this guy na-exceed niya si Bill Gates because of Amazon. And also, so this is recent, Amazon becomes the country's second 1 trillion company. So imagine, last time billion lang, 2019, now the revenue, worth of the worth of company now is 1 trillion company. And this, so you can see here, this was October 13. So this is from ano ba to, NBC News. So, Amazon's third-party vendors see 60% increase in sale in Prime Day. So, last October 13 to 15, so nagkaroon ng Prime Day. So, kahit ako, bumili din ako that time. So, you know, people here, pag may Prime Day, talagang kagulo sila. So, very low, and talagang like 70-80% yung discount na makukuha mo. And then sabi naman si Shopify, kung merong may alam dyan na Shopify, si Shopify CEO Tobias Luke, sabi niya, it has brought 2030 to 2020. So imagine, parang nag-pass forward yung e-commerce, because of the pandemic. So dapat in 2020 naging 2030 na yung na-predict nila. Yung na-predict nila before na increase of sale, nakuha kagad yung 2030. So ganon kalaki, ang e-commerce right now. Not only here in the US, but around the world. So, bakit? So, because here, I don't know if you guys watch this, webinar. Actually, I watched this last Friday. So they also talk here about, online selling. So, I'm so, inspired with these people. So, yan, kilala niyo yan si Chinkitan, okay? So, imagine also in the Philippines how the online selling, how online shopping are really, in demand or trending right now. So, this is the new normal right now. So, if you want to check this, I think it's in the Philippine Star, I think, and then you can see how these people from local selling, nag-shift sila into online selling. So that's why I'm telling you guys, eBay, Amazon are very in demand right now. So that's why I want to give this opportunity for you guys para matutunan nyo, magkaroon kayo ng idea about Amazon and eBay. Because also, people also, especially those people na hindi pa nakakabalik sa work, they also looking for opportunity. So that's why they are also trying to be a seller, So that's why, online selling is very big right now. So actually, kung hindi nyo rin alam, si Paymaya also, sabi niya last Friday, meron na daw Paymaya negosyo na you can, it's like PayPal na, you can send invoice, to your customer. So check niyo yan kasi maganda siya kasi especially for us, na virtual assistant, of course, paano tayo makaka-receive ng payment natin. So syempre, from invoice, Paymaya, GCash, so check nyo yan, okay? Okay, so any questions before I proceed? And let me know if okay ba tong binibigay ko sa inyong information. Ano ba? Kung meron kayong question, let me know para later on I can answer your questions. And meron ba dito mga student ko in eBay and Amazon? Please shout out. Ano kayo dyan? Okay, so okay, let me know kung may mga question kayo. Feel free. Okay, so let's go. Okay, so what are the types of business revenue models in Amazon? So, pag sinabing business revenue, so, diba Amazon na siya, marketplace siya. So, parang SM. Okay? So, yung SM, diba may mga seller siya doon. So, meron silang seller. So, yung mga seller na yun, syempre may mga ano din, 'di ba? Meron si Nike. So, ibig sabihin, sarili niyang brand 'yon. Meron naman, 'di ba, na mga kumukuha naman sila sa ano, yung Divisoria, 'di ba? Sa harapan 'yon, 'di ba? Bibili sila sa Divisoria, ibebenta naman nila sa loob ng sa SM. Tapos meron naman mga nagpa-franchise. So, the same thing also kay Amazon. So, si Amazon, marketplace siya na merong iba't ibang way para magbentas ang mga sellers. So, number 1 is dropshipping. So, later on, I will discuss kung paano to nang ginagawa. Number 2 is wholesaling and warehousing. Number 3 is private labeling and manufacturing. And number 4 is online arbitrage. Okay, so ayan, meron pala akong student dito. Hi, Joanna, batch 5. Okay, so let's go. And what are the tasks, of Amazon Virtual Assistant? So, ba't nauna pala to? Okay, sige, sabihin na natin. so the task of a virtual assistant, Amazon Virtual Assistant is to do product research. So, isa yan sa mga key. Syempre, pag halimbawa, yung product research mo is not sellable or hindi mabebenta sa Amazon, of course, diyan nakadepende ang sellers. So, product listing. So, syempre, importante din yan kasi para malaman kung ano ba yung binibenta mo. So, yon. Order fulfillment. So, pag halimbawa may bumili, yung task ng virtual assistant is to order that or to fulfill that or para ma-send or ma-ship sa customer. So, tracking of orders. So kailangan laging updated kagad sa pag-update kung na-ship na ba yung orders mo or na-cancel ba or anong nangyari, kung delay ba, so ganon. So, customer service. So, syempre, importante yan. Syempre, pag may mga questions, inquiries, or ang tawag doon, mga comments, yung mga customers, so dapat na nabibigyan siya ng customer service o na nasasagot siya. And other VA tasks. So, ano yung mga other VA tasks? So, for example, by being social media manager, kasi syempre may ibang Amazon, sa mga private labeling. We also have like social media sharing para magkaroon ng more traffic. So, meron din yung mga basic photo editing. Halimbawa, pagtatanggal ng mga background, ganun. And then, other pa. So, halimbawa, bookkeeping or ano pa, yung data entry, syempre ilalag mo yung mga orders, so ganon. Okay, so what is dropshipping? Okay, so it's an order fulfillment method that does not require a business to keep products in stock. So instead, the store sells the product and passes on the sales order to a third-party supplier who then ship the order to the customer. So ito, ganito siya. Meron pala ako ditong picture. Okay. So paano nangyayari yung dropshipping? So number 1, halimbawa ito si customer bumili online. So bumili siya dito kay seller. So si seller, ipaprocess niya yan. Pero yung order, yung product niya, wala sa kanya. Wala sa bahay niya, wala sa kanya. Ang gagawin niya, bibili niya dito kay supplier. And then si supplier, so si seller pala, si seller, ilalagay niya lahat ng information ni customer, ibibigay niya dito sa supplier, and si supplier ang mag-ship or magdi-deliver kay customer. So, ganon ang dropshipping. So, customer place order online store And then online store passes the order to dropshipper or supplier. And then supplier ships order directly to the consumer. So ito ang dropshipping. Okay, so what is online arbitrage? So this is also known as retail arbitrage. It's a product sourcing method where you buy an item from a retail to then sell at a higher price on Amazon. So for example, if your local Walmart is selling a 10-pack of pencil with 50% off, you could buy this for $5 and sell on Amazon for $10. So, halimbawa, sa Pilipinas, 'di ba? Pupunta tayo sa Tutuban, 'di ba? Sa Divisoria. So, yung halimbawa, yung damit halagang 100 pesos lang. And then, bibili tayo doon, halimbawa, 5 piraso. And then, dadalhin natin sa local, sa store natin, ibebenta natin ng 200. So, ibig sabihin, may kita ka na. Kasi, nabili mo lang siya ng 100, ibebenta mo siya ng 200. So, ganun yung online arbitrage. So, meron din two types ang arbitrage. So, merong online and merong retail arbitrage. So, online arbitrage, bumili ka lang online. So, you buy low online and then sell high online also. So, the retail arbitrage, so, you go in the retail store. So, halimbawa, yun nga, sabi ko sa inyo, pumunta ka sa Divisoria, bumili ka ng 100 pesos na t-shirt and then ibebenta mo online for 200. So, ganun din siya. So, online arbitrage, retail arbitrage, you will go to Goodwill, garage sale, clearance retail store, swap meet, and others. And then, you will list that online and sell on Amazon, on eBay, in Poshmark, Kidesen, Mercari, and other platforms. So, that is arbitrage. Okay, so what is wholesaling? So, it is the act of purchasing products directly from a manufacturer or a company that typically you will receive a significant discount of the retailer price and will be buying a bulk directly from brand owner. Okay, so paano naman siya wholesaling? So ito si online. So, online seller, bibili siya ng bulks kay supplier. Okay? And then si supplier, isi-ship niya kay online seller. So, ngayon si online seller, ililist niya online. So, ngayon, ibibenta niya, makikita ni consumer, and si consumer, bibili kay online seller, and si online seller mag-ship kay customer. So, the same thing, sabi ko nga din, halimbawa, bumili ka sa Divisoria ng isang dosenang t-shirt. So, nabili mo siya in sabi natin, 50 pesos. So, ngayon, yung 50 pesos na yun, kasi nga, bulk siya, maramihan. So, parang ang halaga niya naman pag binenta mo is 150. So, imagine, parang 200% yung pwede mong kita. So, bibili ka lang. So, parang retail arbitrage, pero kasi retail is parang 1 to 2, 3 pieces, ganon. So, konti lang. Pero, pag wholesaling siya, ibig sabihin, maramihan siya. So, ganon lang yon. So, ganon ang wholesaling. So, what is private labeling? So, you buy your products from manufacturer but label and market them using your own product or own brand. So, the best example of a successful private label is Amazon Basic. So, Amazon does not manufacture the products but merely sources it from the manufacturer. So, paano naman siya? Halimbawa, 'di ba? Meron si Nike, 'di ba? Si Nike. So, sapatos 'yun. So, yung sapatos na 'yun, nilagyan nila ng logo na Nike. So, kung tutuusin, parang, umbaga, yung brand mo, so, yung, halimbawa, ganun din, bibili ka ng sapatos na walang brand or generic, and then ngayon, ilalagay mo lang yung brand mo dun sa sapatos na yun. So, yun yung own brand or private labeling. Okay, so yun, napaliwanag ko na siya. So, 'di ba? So, si online seller, kukontak kay supplier. So, si supplier, ipoproduce niya yung product mo na may logo, and then isesend niya sa warehouse mo, and then ikaw syempre ililist mo siya sa sa online store mo, and then si customer bibili sa'yo and isi-ship mo yung product mo na may logo mo. So, syempre, si customer, pag natuwa, babalik ulit yun sa'yo. Bibili ulit sa'yo yun kasi alam niya na iyon yung brand mo. So, ganun yung private labeling. Okay. So, any questions? Medyo mabilis ba? And I want to know kung may natututunan ba kayo right now? Sige po, anyone? Let me know kung may natutunan po kayo. Or question. Sige po, pwedeng mag-question. Mas maganda po yung nagko-question para natututo po tayo. So, pag may question po, write lang po natin sa comments. Okay, so let me see first here. Okay, so ang dami pala dito. Okay, sandali lang. Nasa side ko. Okay. So, andito, hello, Mikmik, itaas, Dennis, so one of my student. Okay, so, hello, coach, watching here, Davao, Philippines. Hello. So, hello, Rona. Hello, Miss Jennifer, Rosella, Celine, Rohani, Gislaine. Okay, so may newbie tayo, Mary Plain. So, thank you for watching. Newbie din, si Mikmik. Si Rosella also, newbie. Ange Lapis, newbie. Jules, nahuli po ba ako? So, okay lang. Pwede nyo naman tong i-replay later on. Christine, newbie. Mary Jane, newbie. Grace, newbie. Mary Yang, newbie. Okay, Jules, thank you po. This is great opportunity. Sana di ko po ma-miss yung important information. I think hindi naman po. Basta panoorin nyo po ulit yung replay later po. Okay, so Claire, newbie. Janet, just now in. Okay. Si Dennis, batch 4. Okay, so buti nakahabol ako, Miss Jean. Mona, very helpful and informative topic. Thank you, coach. Okay, so yeah, si Mona, batch 5. Anlu, newbie. So, is this like an online seller coach? Actually, right now, I'm not teaching how to sell online. So, I'm teaching how to be Amazon virtual assistant. So, yun nga, kung nakita nyo, bakit malaki si Amazon? So, kaya talagang madaming gustong magbenta o maging seller doon sa Amazon. And of course, sellers needs help. So, that's why doon tayo papasok as a virtual assistant. So, yan po ba ang laman ng Amazon course? Good question, Mary Jane. So, later on, I will show ano ba yung laman or ano ba yung inclusion ng Amazon course. May recording po ba to? Yes, Red. Di ko na umpisahan. Okay lang, later on. Later, we have replay for this. So, question po, saan kayo nag-order ng Amazon to ship dito sa atin? Okay, so I believe if you are in the Philippines, meron Amazon Singapore. So syempre, yung Amazon Singapore ang bahalang mag-fulfill. Kasi ganito siya, yung warehouse ng Amazon in Singapore, not all products that we have here in the US is meron din sa Singapore. So kaya pag halimbawa nag-order kayo mismo sa Singapore kasi yun yung time na I don't know paano nag-ano siya paano yung sa Amazon Singapore kung free shipping ba kayo or hindi. Because dito sa US, once you are a Prime member, free shipping kami. Kahit gaano pa kamura or kamahal yung order namin, everything are free. Free shipping. Okay, Riza, may recording po ba to? Yes. Yan po ba yung lesson sa FBA Amazon? Yes. Joema Akob, very informative po para sa aming mga newbie. Okay, yes, thank you. And also later on, I will show you my YouTube channel kasi madami din akong mga napopost na mga videos about e-commerce like Amazon, eBay, Poshmark, so all platforms na pwedeng magbenta para sa amin kasi seller ako, okay? Kaya naituturo ko yung mga task ng virtual assistant kasi I'm a seller and I have VAs on my business, in my businesses. So, ako din mismo ang nagtuturo sa mga VAs ko paano gawin yung mga product research, yung listing, yung pricing. So, kaya binuo namin yung course na to, yung Amazon and eBay para din matulungan kayong mga nasa Pilipinas. Kasi ito yung opportunity right now kasi lahat tayo, until now, kahit dito sa US, madami pa rin mga tao dito na wala pa ring work, hindi pa nakakabalik sa trabaho nila. And actually, yung government offices dito, 8 months nang sarado. So that's why people are all working from home and also, ito na talaga yung normal right now. So that's why yung mga Pilipino dapat mag-start na din mag-work online. Okay, so Janet, is this like online seller? Nasagot ko na po yan. Eileen Ja, newbie. Ano nga po ulit yung difference ng online versus retail arbitrage? So pag sinabing online, online sila bumibili. Pag retail, sa store mismo sila bumibili. Nins, newbie, Rhea, eBay batch 4. Ayan si Jaime Steli, batch 1 on eBay course. Yam, Ibarra, newbie, Rainer, hello po. Ayan, salamat nakita ka na din. Thank you, Miss Lianet. Okay, same lang. Okay, ano yan? Thank you so much for the answer. Welcome. Pinagkaiba po ng Amazon at eBay kasi gusto ko po mag-enroll. Okay, so Miss Mary Jane, ganito yung pagkakaiba niyan. Ang eBay, parang sa Pilipinas, is carousel. So, in eBay kasi, more, you can sell like used, vintage, and we almost do eBay dropshipping and wholesaling. Unlike in Amazon, we do dropshipping, we do wholesaling, we do arbitrage, we do private labeling, but more are new. So, hindi nagbibenta ang Amazon ng mga use. Or may use man, madalang lang. Ganon. Okay, so Leslie, hello coach from Amazon VA1. I thank you Leslie for watching. Okay, so Riza, really wanted to learn more about Amazon after eBay. Yes, Riza, you can message me. Okay, coach, may discount ba Amazon course if student ng eBay? Okay, so sa ngayon wala eh. For VA, ano po mas maganda? Amazon, Shopify, and eBay. Okay, so medyo iba kasi talaga po yung ano. So iba-iba kasi siya, no? So pero kasi naunang na-launch namin talaga is eBay. So Shopify kasi iba. So parang nagbi-build ka talaga ng website diyan. Unlike yung eBay and Amazon, already established na. So kumbaga marketplace na siya, napapasok na lang yung sellers. Unlike yung Shopify, magbibuild ka ng store, ng website, and then ikaw ang kukuha ng traffic mo. So yun yung difference ng ng Amazon, Shopify, and eBay. So actually, mas maganda matutunan nyo lahat yun. Kasi syempre, the more you have skills, the more you can, sell yourself in the online. Kasi syempre, actually very related ang eBay and Amazon. So that's why kung nag-start ka na ng eBay, pwede ka mag-take din ng Amazon. And if you nag-start ka ng Amazon, pwede ka rin mag-take ng eBay kasi very related siya. Although iba yung techniques and iba din yung mga tools na ginagamit namin diyan. Okay, the infos were good. Thank you, Miss Alu. Antoinette. Okay, so Grace Evangelist, Amazon Batch 2. Okay, ano po okay na mag-VA sa Shopify or Amazon? Okay, so medyo ayoko po magsalita kasi hindi ko po course sa Shopify. So, but right now po kasi talaga e-commerce is very in demand. eBay VA or Amazon VA. So, hi newbie here. Galing po ako sa FC and gusto kong sunod yung enroll yung eBay or Amazon. Okay, yes, I think meron kayo pag freelancing, meron 20% off yata sila. Yeah, may 20% off discount pag nakatapos ka ng freelancing course. Okay, actually hindi pa ako tapos, no? Sa aking presentation. So, let's go back. So, wala pang question. Okay, so how you can be Amazon virtual assistant? So, ito. So, of course, you need the right attitude. So, syempre, I know, especially, madami ako nakita sa inyo, all are newbies or mostly are newbies, kasi bago lang naman talaga yung si Amazon na talagang mag-boom ng ganito or yung e-commerce. So, you need to have the right attitude. So, you need to think, bakit mo ba gusto to? Bakit mo gustong mag-work online? Bakit gusto mo maging Amazon virtual assistant or eBay virtual assistant or Shopify virtual assistant? So you need to know kasi and you need to have also open-minded. Dapat maging open-minded ka na of course, pag wala kang alam, wala kang experience, you need to start from scratch. And you need to, to learn, the basic and, follow step by step kung ano yung dapat mong matutunan. So, you need to have the right skills. So, that's why, ayun nga, andito po ako. I want to, open this, opportunity to everyone. Kasi kahit na short webinar to, I want to give, very informative, kasi ito, foundation mo na to. Kasi pinakita ko na dito ano ba yung Amazon, 'di ba? Ano ba yung mga skills ng virtual assistant. So nakita mo na. So na-overview mo na ano ba yung kailangan mong matutunan. And you need to have the support. So that's why FBA we're here, to help you and then like me, I'm very hands-on to my students and kahit na merong time difference, big time difference, I always make sure na masagot ko yung mga questions ng mga students ko. And also, the good thing is, dahil nga seller ako, so once you finish your course, you have the opportunity to be apprenticed. So, pag natapos mo yung course mo, you can apply as an apprenticeship and then I will let you handle, my different stores. So that's why you will do the actual work already. So magkakaroon ka kagad ng experience. So and then matututukan din kita na ano ba yung mga dapat mong gawin. So talagang magtatrabaho ka as sa seller talaga, not just magta-try ka pa, na or i-apply mo lang yan by yourself. And the good thing also in FBA, we have a portfolio assignment kasi talagang bawat course or lesson, meron kaming assignment na kailangan mong gawin para napapractice mo kagad kung ano yung natutunan mo. And my support, once you enrolled in the course, you have lifetime support, and I will be there until you get your first client. Okay, so let's see. Yeah, so here, these are my students na nag-enroll. So isa dito, matagal na daw siyang nanonood ng mga video tutorials sa YouTube, pero wala siyang maintindihan kasi nga sa YouTube hiwa-hiwalay. So ngayon nasa sayo paano mo siya pagtatagpo-tagpuin or pagko-connect-connectin. Unlike yung pag talagang paid course, talagang may sistema siya. So alam mo kung saan ka mag-start and saan ka din magtatapos. So yun yung kaibahan ng paid course. So yan, meron ito yung isang student po namin, talagang di pa kami nag-start klase na kapag nagkaroon na kagad siya ng client. Ayan, so ito din meron na din siya kagad clients. Ito naman got 2 clients. Ayan, so ayan po, not to brag this, but I'm so happy kasi po na meron po tayong natutulungan, especially right now na pandemic. Sa totoo lang, very depressing yung nangyari po sa atin. Hindi tayo nakakalabas, hindi na natin nagagawa yung mga normal nating ginagawa. So very depressing. Actually dito, madami yung mga nagsisuicide dito because of this, nangyari. And but thank God, that God gives also opportunity to us. So ito nga yung online job, online selling. So that's why we need to adapt, sa nangyayari right now sa atin. So that's why ngayon everything are online. So dapat tayo din nasa online. So dapat mag-adapt din tayo. Okay, so let me show you the course, the inclusion of the course. So in Amazon dropshipping, arbitrage, wholesaling, and private labeling, virtual assistant course. So meron dito familiarizing e-commerce, Amazon overview, so Amazon dropshipping. So actually, isa lang ang matutunan mo dito, ma-master mo Amazon dropshipping. This is already have a big market. So imagine, if you master Amazon dropshipping, malaki na ang market mo dito. What more if you master Amazon dropshipping, online arbitrage, Amazon wholesaling, and private labeling? So it means, itong 4 na to, plus ito pa, merch by Amazon. So ganyan kalaki ang market ng Amazon. Okay, so ganito rin kalaki yung opportunity natin right now. Okay, so private labeling, pricing, listing, and shipping the products in Amazon, customer service, merch by Amazon, and Amazon virtual assistant branding, portfolios, and application. So, ano pa? So, it also includes four live sessions. Meron din tayong mga recorded sessions. So, meron tayong academy launch. So, papanoorin nyo siya in your own pace or in your own time. And then, magkikita lang tayo every live sessions. So, we only also give online certificate after the course completion. So, we have free apprenticeship and hiring opportunities. We have lifetime support from me, okay? And also, I give weekly or monthly updates. Okay, so right now, naka-promo po tayo ng 3,000. And sabi ko nga, if you want to enroll na po kayo because we don't have class on December. So again, imagine very full pack itong course natin, but we only giving this to you guys 3,000 pesos. Okay, so let's see if may question pa tayo dito. Okay. Okay. Okay, pwede ba mag-part-time as apprenticeship? So, yung apprenticeship kasi 1 month yun. So, but ano nga, ako naman din naman yung mag-handle sa inyo. So, it's very flexible time naman kasi I understand. So, after my freelancing course, then I want to follow the Amazon Virtual Assistant. Okay, Miss Janet, just message me, okay? Coach, same ba doon Amazon FBA? Yes, so tuturo din doon. Kasi pag sinabing FBA, fulfilled by Amazon. So, ano siya, inside Amazon siya. Parang yung mga product mo, halimbawa yung arbitrage, yung um, wholesaling, and also private labeling, isi-ship lang kay Amazon warehouse. So, kaya tinawag siyang FBA. So, nandun din siya sa loob ng course. So, Emil, hi po, newbie here. Is it okay po ba na hindi pa kuhain ng course and dumiretso na po agad sa e-commerce? Okay lang naman. Kasi hindi, naman siya eh. Kasi e-commerce talaga siya. So, ang freelancing course kasi, pinaka-foundation siya to be a freelancer or a virtual assistant, like admin, yun yung siya, yun yung pinaka foundation ng virtual assistant, yung freelancing course. So, kung gusto mo mag e-commerce course, mag-direct ka. Okay din naman. Okay, coach, okay, wait. Ano po pala pinagkaiba ni FBA and FBM? Okay, so FBA fulfilled by Amazon. So FBM fulfilled by merchant. So pag sinabing fulfilled by Amazon, si Amazon mag-ship, si Amazon ang magko-customer service, si Amazon ang magpapack. So everything si Amazon. Tapos nakalagay dyan, Prime sa listing mo. Unlike yung FBM, fulfilled by merchant. So pag sinabing merchant, ako. So, ako yung mag-ship, ako magpapack, ako mag-customer service. So, ako lahat yun. Ako, why no on December? Opo, wala tayong klase on December, kaya po yung susunod na klase is on November and then January na. Okay, coach, actually nag-enroll ako noong September. Okay, so yay, I will enroll na. Okay. So, coach, anong schedule ng training? Like when and how long? Okay, so Hernan, please message us here in this page. So, your email para ma-send ka namin ng details. Okay, so Jean, kaso via debit po ang bayad. Ang problema ko po, di ko ma-access yung online banking ko. Kaya di ako makasend ng proof of payment. Okay, so I think pwede ka naman sa mga GCash, Paymaya, ganun. So, what is paying method? How long the course? 1 month. Sorry, di ko naabutan. Okay, so Miss Lian Nep, please message us or I will, check namin. Baka kasi iba, hindi lumalabas yung comments. So, please, if you are interested, to the course, message us para maibigay namin yung details para sa inyo. Okay, so di po ba mahirap ang schedule? I'm full-time VA and mom of 3. Parang sobrang gusto ko talaga ng course. Okay, so sabi ko nga po, yung recorded, pwede nyo panoorin anytime na available kayo. Pero ang gusto po namin, magkita po tayo sa live session kasi bukod po dun sa course, yung lesson inside the academy, may tinuturo po ko live in our live session. So para din yun din kasi yung time pag may question kayo katulad yan ngayon na natin na-discuss din natin ng maayos. Okay, so nag-enroll po ko VA bootcamp at di po natapos pero e-commerce ako mag-specialize. Pa-send nyo ako ng details enrollment. Sige po, Jules. Okay, so Jennifer. Thanks, Coach. Planning to enroll next year. I've done na po freelancing course. Sige po, God willing, we will see each other. So, Mylene, ano po yung Amazon Seller VA? Pagkakaiba ng FBA na. So Amazon Seller VA, yun nga din po yun, Amazon Virtual Assistant. So, pagkakaiba ng FBA is fulfilled by Amazon and fulfilled by merchant naman yung FBM. Okay, so may iba dito. Katulad niyan, hindi ko nakikita yung iba dito. Okay, so sabi ni Jedy, thank you, Coach Divine. I am learning. So, Joanna, may website ba, Coach, for manufacturers who do private labeling? Yes po, meron. Okay, so sabi ni Joanna, oy Joanna, thank you for watching. Reader. Coach, kailan mag-start yung next batch on eBay course? Okay, yung eBay po, November. So, every Friday ang live session ng eBay. Okay, so wala na pong question. So, if you have any questions, just let me know po and we will answer all your question later on po. So, PM lang po kayo dito sa page na to and then we will give you all the details or we will answer all your questions. Okay, so let's go again po to our slide here. Okay, so I just want to give you this, I just want to leave this verse for everyone. So Proverbs 16 verse 3, commit your work to the Lord and your plans will be established. So I know po, nakita niyo yung opportunity right now about Amazon. So, but, pray for this opportunity. Make sure, that you are also, inquiring the Lord kung ito ba yung plans niya for you. But for sure, this is not, accident, nandito kayo, or, God, works mysterious way, diba? So, whatever you plan, not only here, in the course or to your personal life, or because nga, you want to work from home. So, offer this to the Lord, do this for the Lord and give your best, to this work, or if you are taking freelancing course, eBay course, do everything your best na you are working for the Lord. And then your plans will be established. Pagpapalain niya ng Panginoon. Kasi God knows our heart, our intention. So whatever your intention is, kung masama yan, hindi yan pagpapalain. Pero once the Lord, knows that your plans is for good, for your family, or to help people, God will bless and, God will pour all the blessing and favor to you. Okay, so thank you po everyone. Thank you for watching. And for sure po, this is not the first time or last, time na I will give, webinar like this. So actually, I will share to you my YouTube channel. So, okay, so this is my my YouTube channel. So I have here, I have a lot of, videos here that for sure will give you more information about, katulad niyan, I have Amazon here, si Coach Rizel, the freelancing course also in FBA. So we share, skills that you can also apply or, to your freelancing career. So we have also here the Facebook Marketplace Dropshipping, Poshmark, eBay. So madami po ako ditong videos na para sa inyo po. So actually ito si Paul J. Lipsky. So na-interview ko siya. So I also inviting, other people also internationally to give us also more information about e-commerce. So kaya po, yan, feel free. Huwag nyo kalimutan mag-subscribe din po kayo and para lagi kayo ma-notify every time na may video ko. Okay. Okay, so sige po. Ano yun? Parang may nakita ko. Okay, so everyone, thank you very much for, for watching and for listening to me. So again, kita-kits na lang, see you around in Facebook, in the group. Okay? I hope, sabi niya dito, OMG, every Friday, maka-join ako ng live, mag-ganon talaga ako. Okay, that's good. Okay, Dada, hope maka-enroll ako next year. Currently enrolled in FBA. Actually, that's a good Miss Dada, Actually, in online selling, we need bookkeepers, okay? So, that's a good, bentahin na sa'yo kasi may alam ka sa bookkeeping. Ako din, naghahanap ako na hanggang makita ko ito. Thank you naman po at nakita nyo ito. Actually, nagkaroon pa kami ng problema yesterday kasi nagkamali ako sa pagpo-post kasi na-confuse ako sa time and sa date. Okay, so may question dito eh. Okay, so I think that's it, everyone. Again, thank you very much for watching, and I will do my best to give more, and like what I said, just for you to be familiarized with eBay, Amazon, and online arbitrage, please visit my YouTube channel. Okay, God bless everyone. Bye-bye.